Hey, kids.
What?
Hey, kids. Welcome to your first music theory. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mr. Hurwitz, I thought music theory was only for big kids and college kids. Well, you know what? You're never too young to start learning how music works. We spend a lot of time listening to music on the radio. We spend a lot of time hearing what music sounds like. But very rarely do we take the time outside of school to look at what music looks like. Now, if you've already watched the guitar video, good for you. If you have not, okay, I don't know what you've been up to, but you should watch the guitar video because I covered this in that video, and my easy K-1-2 elementary video. It kind of starts off with this. So we're gonna break the ice. Here we go. So take 5 seconds and tell me what this is. That's right, it's a treble clef. I'll write it down for you. So Treble. Why do I harp on this so much? We'll talk about that later. Treble clef, that's right, Clef. Outstanding. So a treble clef, what does that do? Well, if you stop interrupting me, I could explain it. But again, you just want to yell and scream and get your way. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. I'll explain it to you. You put the pressure on me. All right. So this is also known as a G clef. Now, if you watched our keyboard video, you'll know that G is one of the notes on the piano. But the good news is, G is also a note on the clarinet, it's a note on the guitar. The note G exists throughout all the instruments. So how do I find G? Why is this the G clef? Well, watch. Neat. So I just put a line through this little coil here. That lets me know that this note is always G. Now, if I have my keyboard map out that I've already drawn, I would be able to look at my keyboard and find G. If I watch my guitar video, I could look on my strings and I could find G on the guitar as well. The good news is, why do we need these lines? Again, if I add more lines, you add one below, one in the middle, and two right above that, and then you have echo game. A staff has 5 lines. Good job. All right, again, let me sing you a song real quick. This song is called The G Song. Let me find G on the piano here. I'm playing a song that has a G in it. Does this sound like a lot of music you've heard? No. Very little or very few pieces of music just do this. So how do I make notes go like this? Well, how do I do that? So if I want notes to go up, I will need to have notes go up on the staff. So take a look. I just played C-A-B or G-A-B. I'll do it again. Nice, that's right. So what if I want to go down? What do I do? Does it sound like this to go down? Now if I do want to go down, now I'm not going to erase these. If I want to go back down, all I have to do is put the notes going down in this direction. I hope you can see that. So just starting from the beginning, this is note G, A, B, then it goes back down to A, B, and then you'll never get, or did I say B? Whoops. Mr. Hurwitz makes mistakes too, look at that. It goes back down to G, remember, alphabetical order, and then it ends on F. Let's hear what this sounds like. Here we go. You just made a song. That was fun. Great. So now we know where G is. But isn't there another clef we've heard about? You don't know? Well, I guess I'll have to show you that too. You guys are sitting there waiting. I gotta be entertaining, I guess. That's what I do around here. All right, so our next clef looks like this. Take 5 seconds and try to figure out what that is. If you said ear, what? Why? Why'd you say that? I mean, I guess it does kind of look like that. No, you know what? You're right. It actually does kind of look like the other half of our heart. Aw. Broke my heart. You guys, don't hurt my feelings like this. I need you guys to pay attention and learn this information for us. All right. That's right. So, this is called the echo game. What echo game? Bass clef. That's right. This word clef, this means helping us find notes on the page. Now, did you know this is also called an F clef? Did you know that? Now, I couldn't possibly know why it's called an F clef, could you? Well, I just might have an idea. Let me get rid of all this stuff first. Get out of here. You get out of here. Nice. Good. So, what if I put a line through here? Does this all of a sudden kind of look like an F to you? Maybe a little bit? Right. So again, language has formed over the course of time. So whatever you see in this day and age didn't always used to look like that. Letters have morphed and changed over a long period of time. So that's right. So this was their F at that time. Take a look. The line goes through it. That means this, that means this is F, and it always will be. We'll dive deeper into bass clef next time, kids. But for now, thanks for tuning in, thanks for being awesome kids, and have a nice day.